Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to crochet the matching scarf of the beanie that I just posted recently. Okay, I am going to use the same yarn, which is the Super Saver Stripe by Red Heart, number 4 medium, and also a size I 5.5mm crochet hook. So if you are ready guys, let's begin the project. We're going to make a chain of 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now we have the 25 chains, and for the first row of the project we're only going to use the back ridges. Okay, so this is the front and this is the back. This is the back. So okay, into the 5th chain from hook we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the back ridge of that 5th chain we are going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the skip stitches here, the skip chains is the very first chain space. Now we are going to skip the 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. Into the next chain we are going to make 1 single. Remember guys, we're only going to use the back ridges for this row. 1 single, and then make a chain 3. Okay, and into the same stitch we're going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this chain 3 here is the chain 3 space, counted as chain 3 space. Okay, now we're going to skip the next 3 chain again, 1, 2, 3. Into the next chain we're going to make single crochet, then chain 3 and 3 double crochet into the same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, then we're going to skip the next 3 chain again, 1, 2, 3. Into the next chain we're going to make 1 single, chain 3, and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Then skip the next 3 chain again, single crochet into the next, chain 3, and make 3 double crochet into the same stitch. Then we are going to skip the 3 stitches here, and into the very last single we are going to make 1 single crochet. Okay, so we have 2, 4, 5. We have 5 group of shells, 2, 4, 5. Now for the second row we are going to make a chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then turn your work and into the next chain 3 space. This is the chain 3 space here. Okay, at the top of the single, this chain 3 space, make 1 single crochet into that space. Okay, and then make a chain of 3, and into the same space we're going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Now we are going to skip the next 3 double and into the next chain 3 space, make 1 single crochet, then chain 3 and make 3 double crochet into the same space. 1, 2, and 3. Now skip the next 3 double crochet again, make 1 single into the next chain 3 space, and then chain 3 and 3 double crochet into the same space. Okay, are you getting it, guys? Then skip the next 3 double, single crochet into that chain 3 space, make a chain 3 and 3 double crochet into the same space. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to skip the last 3 double crochet, make 1 single crochet into the chain 3 space. Okay, so we have 4 shells, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and for the third row we're going to make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work, and into the same stitch here we're going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to skip this 3 double crochet, single crochet into the next chain 3 space, then chain 3 and make 3 double crochet into the same space. 1, 2, 3. Skip the next 3 double, single crochet into the next chain 3 space. Okay, and then make a chain 3 and 3 double crochet into the same space. 1, 2, and 3. Then skip the next 3 double crochet again and single crochet into the next space, then chain 3 and 3 double crochet into the same space. Then skip the next 3 double, single crochet into that chain 3 space, chain 3 and make 3 double crochet into the same space. 1, 2, 3, and single crochet into the next chain 4 space. This is the turning chain 4. Make single crochet. Okay, so we have 2, 4, 5. Okay, the first row we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second row we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the third row we have 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then for the fourth row we're going to make a chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then turn your work, and we are going to skip this 3 double crochet and single crochet into the next chain 3 space, then chain 3 and 3 double crochet into the same space. Then skip the next 3 double, single crochet into the next, then chain 3 and 3 double crochet into the same space. Skip the next 3 double, single crochet into the next chain 3 space, then chain 3 and 3 double crochet into the same space. Skip the next 3, single crochet into the next chain 3 space, then chain 3 and 3 double crochet into the same space, then single crochet into the last turning chain. Okay, this is the turning chain, so single crochet there. All right, so the first row we have 5, second row we have 4, third row we have 5, fourth row we have 4. Now for the remaining rounds, guys, I want you to repeat row, okay, repeat row 3 and 4 alternately until you have the measurement of 75 inches long or 80 inches long. I am going to make mine until 75 inches long, but if you want it longer, go ahead and continue until 80 inches long, okay? Excuse me for my voice. And also, always remember to make a chain of 4 and turn into each beginning of each rows, okay? So go ahead, guys, repeat row 3 and 4 alternately until you have your 75 or 80 inches long, and I will meet you for the next row. Okay, I finished my remaining rows, guys, and I stopped my work where the 5 shells are, okay? 1 2 3 4 5. That's where I stop my work. Now we are going to do the final touch. So we have 5 shells, 1 2 3 4 5, and we are going to make a chain of 4, 1 2 3 4, and then we are going to turn our work like that, and we are going to skip this 3 double crochet and the chain 3 space. So at the bottom of the chain 3 space, there's 1 single crochet here. Can you see it? Okay, at the bottom of the chain 3 space, make 1 single crochet into the single crochet, just like that. Okay, and make a chain of 3, and we are going to skip this 3 double crochet in the chain 3 space and into the single crochet here at the bottom of the chain 3 space. We are going to make 1 single crochet. Okay, then we are going to repeat this across, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet, chain 3, and we are going to make a single crochet into this chain 3 space, okay, the turning chain 3. Make single crochet. Okay, now this is the final touch. Right, just arrange it, and it is going to be like the other end in the beginning of the project, okay? It's gonna be like that. All right, so we can lock our work here. Cut the yarn. I have to look for my scissor again. Okay, cut the yarn, and make sure that you have extra length when you're cutting your yarn so that you have enough yarn to do the weaving or hiding the tails. Okay, and for the measurement of this scarf, it is 75 inches long and 6 inches wide. It is thick enough for very cold weather during the winter. Okay, and it is long enough to wrap around your neck twice. Okay, I love the stitches, and it is back to back, guys. Look at that. It is a back to back stitches for this scarf. It is really pretty. There's no wrong side or right side. It's all right side. Okay, we finished another project, guys. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me. I hope you like it. I like the color of the yarn. Let me show it to you. This is bright stripe. Yeah, that's the color name, bright stripe. I don't know how, Rayas Brillante, Rayor Vibe. I don't know how to, I don't know what languages are those, but in English it's Bright Stripe. And this is a Super Saver Jumbo Stripe by Red Heart. Okay. Yeah. Let me mention it to you about the I use one jumbo stripes, okay, one whole or 10 ounce 283 gram for the set, for the scarf and for the beanie. I use this amount of yarn, okay? So if you are wondering how much yarn I use, this is how much I use for the whole set, not only for the scarf, also for the beanie, okay? For the whole set, this is the amount. So okay, thank you so much, guys. If you like it, do not forget to share it and give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you are new to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so it will notify you whenever I upload a new video. I love the stitches. Okay, thank you so much again. We finished another project. I hope you enjoyed crocheting along with me today, and I hope you are having a wonderful rest of your day, and see you again for my next video tutorial. Love you guys.